Pagbalik nila ng bahay ay kinamusta sila ni Kuya tungkol sa naganap na task.
Yung task po namin, Kuya, super hirap po. Kasi nag-expect po kami na magiging madali po siya. We were so confident kanina na maubos po namin, but I don't think. It's really hard. It's really hard, Kuya.
I can see that every one of us really tried our best. But, you know, I think through this challenge, we became closer. Right?
Pagbalik sa loob ng bahay,
Yes.
Ano?
How was it? How was it?
It's the hardest challenge
yung kape.
I've
Na nagbibigay ng 20,000
No, people will not
Kaya naghanap
buy.
silang condense.
May nang bastos. Tsaka
Not
gatas.
really, pero they really don't buy. It's not like what you guys expected.
maya may itinabilang na sa kanila ang perang kinita.
Kung sino may hawak ng pera, bilangin na.
Count?
2.52. Uy, dami oh.
Yung 11 niya.
Uy, ang dami. Uy!
Ang dami, mami.
Uy, ang dami.
Three? Huh? Count?
Count.
No,
Ano po
segregate pa lang po, kuya.
Saglit lang po. Bini-breakdown po. May breakdown po kasi. May breakdown. Nakaubos ba yata itong mga to eh? Naubos ata nila eh.
Hindi ata naubos mo ng spring roll. Pero naubos ko yung kape.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 100.
200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900.
1 million! Abot yan, pare!
200.
300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, wow!
I think aabot, pero there was still a part of me na baka hindi rin aabot.
Ito na ang huli ninyong task. Ngayon, pagmasdan ninyo ang nota.
Three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.